So November's giveaway will be, and you can win, Simply Straight hot brush. You could win 12 Days of Slay by Lotti London. And you can win the Lotti London mini brush kit. So if you want to know how, stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. If you are a new subscriber, then welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, mwah, thank you. So today is all about the November's giveaway. And I've got a little helper. He is going to open the 12 Days of Slay from Lotti London. Oh, let's put you down a little bit because we can't see your gorgeous face. There he is. Say hi.
Hi.
Wave hi.
Hi.
Hi. Right, okay, so I'm going to unbox this because I'd like to see for myself actually what is inside. So we're going to start with number one and Kai is going to open it. So number one, Kai, open it. Like this. Pull it. That's it. Open it. Well done. Okay, and inside number one. I can't get it out. Woo! How on earth do you get these out? How do you get them out, Kai?
I know.
What?
Watch me do this.
Right.
And do that.
Right.
And do this.
Okay. So, while I'm trying to get this out, I think it's because one of them have actually come out of the slots. Right, so let's put that back in there.
I know, go do this one and this one.
Oh yeah, there's loads to do, isn't there? Oh, okay. This is a good start, right guys? Okay, so I've got this one out, Kai. You have to do number two next.
I'm doing that one.
Yeah, push it.
Oh, I did it.
Okay, so in number one, we got there eventually. We've got a Slay All Day. It is a little lipstick. It's a beautiful colour. This is an all day colour. Absolutely gorgeous. I love these because they're so dinky and easy to travel with. And that's what I was thinking of, was the travelling. So number two, what have we got here? Here's number two. And Kai, number three, please.
Oh.
So this one we have Shimmer Squad. It's a beautiful colour as well. So let's just have a look at this. If I can open it. Oh, that's so nice.
I want some on.
Do you?
I like some.
Don't know if you can see that, guys. Just here, I'm sure you can. It's absolutely beautiful. So that is in number two. And then we have number three. Where's number three, darling?
Yeah.
Oh, and then we need to do number four.
Yeah.
That's here. I'm doing number four for now. So number three, we have another lipstick. Oh, this is beautiful. This is like a metallic colour. Maybe like a lip topper or something. It's a beautiful, beautiful pink colour. Oh, I like that. That is gorgeous.
No, there's
Absolutely
no inside in
beautiful.
there. No, there's no inside in there.
Baby?
There's no inside in there.
Is it not in there? I bet it's fallen down, hasn't it? Okay, so Kai's saying there's nothing till number four and there doesn't appear to be. So I'm assuming it's probably fallen up or down. Oh, here it is here, look.
Oh.
We found it.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a shadow.
Oh.
And the colour here, let's have a look.
You really dropped then.
Did it? This is a beautiful colour as well. So nice and like everyday looks here can be achieved with this. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. Absolutely gorgeous. So what's numbers next? Right, stand down here, sweetheart, because I'm making a bit of a pixie of this. Okay, so number 5 is next.
I'm doing that one.
Yep, go on then. What's in number 5? Right, Nan, get it out and you do number 6, okay?
No, I want some on there.
We'll see after the video. This is number 6. You do number 6 for Nan. And in number 5, we have this beautiful... What is this? This is an eyeshadow. This is gorgeous for Christmas.
There's no inside in there. Again. Number 4. Number 2.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Number 8.
Absolutely beautiful. And I guess you could probably build that up actually. I'm just going to put a bit more. Yeah, you can. Beautiful. Very sparkly, very, very pretty. Right, so what have we got next, darling?
There's no inside in there.
I'm thinking that one.
Oh.
I think they've all kind of fallen out, haven't they? So let's give it a shake. Where have they all gone? Oh no.
Okay. We got that and that.
Okay,
and that.
yeah. So I think we'll just...
Oh, there is.
Is that it there? Right, let's go for number 8 because we'll find them all in there anyway, okay? Go on then, you can open it.
How that come from there?
Another shadow.
Yeah.
Right, and then you do... Right, I open this, you do number 9. So we've got another shadow. Cute. These colours really do complement each other really, really well. So cute. I love this. This is ideal for like if you've got a young person that's at college or if you travel quite a lot. I don't know if you're going to pick that up, but it's very pretty. Very cute.
What number next?
Number 10 next. Oh, number 9 we have another lipstick. Where's number 10? Here, darling. Lipstick number 10. And this is beautiful. This is my sort of colour as well.
Two piece. And 2 piece.
Very pretty. It's this one here.
Hello.
Gorgeous.
2 piece in there. Look.
Thank you. And then, oh, is there 2 in there? That was from the other one, wasn't it?
Oh, it was in there, but went over there.
Oh, so it's okay. Right, so do number 11 for Nana, please. So we've got another shimmer in number 10. Lovely. So it's this one here.
Like that.
I don't know if you can see it, guys. It's beautiful though.
2 number 4.
Absolutely gorgeous.
2 number 4 with robot action.
Right, and then number 11, we have another lip topper. This is gorgeous as well.
I do that one now.
And
I do that one now.
we missed number 7 out. We missed this one. Get that one out.
Put that one out.
Yeah, we should have 12 things all together. I think it's a bit of a car crash.
No.
Oh, this is beautiful. I don't think you're probably going to be able to see this, but it's like iridescent. I guess this is like a lip topper.
Oh.
Smells amazing. Wow, gorgeous. Right?
Yeah, we got
And
the
then
same.
we've got another one that we probably didn't open. Actually, that looks the same.
Who's next? That one.
Boy bye.
Oh.
Oh,
No,
this is girl. And this is the boy one. Very similar, aren't they?
no in there.
So let's have a little swatch of this. Oh, this is a nice colour.
Who's next? Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is like a metallic in it. I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to see that. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love that. Right, what's next, Kai? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you. Another one.
Yeah, I do. And that one.
And we've got another shimmer. Beautiful. Nice, very pinky. Beautiful colour. Very nice. Yeah, next one. And then we've got a full size. There should be one more, I think, Kai. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, there's one more in there. Try and find it for Nana. And then we get a full size lipstick, which is beautiful. Let's have a look at this. And then we've got, what a lovely, beautiful colour. This is amazing.
I can't find them.
Great full size product. Really do like that.
I can't find them.
Okay, let's have a look now. See if I can find it, okay?
Can I do that one now?
Well, we appear to have one missing out of my box, so I hope none of you have any missing out of your box, because we should have 12 and we only appear to have 11, so that's not very good, is it, that we've got one missing? But hey ho, never mind, let's hope yours hasn't. So this is what you're going to win, your very own one. You will also win the Lotti London brush set. This is a mini kit and it's also got the little bag here. Inside, shh, I'm videoing, baby. Inside you will get the mini powder brush, you'll get an eyeshadow brush, you will get a smudger brush and an eyebrow brush. I think they're quite cute. And also you will win Simply Straight. This is a hair straightening tool. It's brand new. I'm not going to open it because it's brand new. It's never been out of the box before. So it gives you the ideas here, before and afters. I have one of these and I really like it. Mine is in white and I think they're really good. And they're not, what I feel, they're not too damaging for your hair. So in order to win these goodies. Oh, wow. All I want you to do is, it's open to international. It will close on the, what's the last day of November? Is it 30th? Last day of November. You must be subscribed to my channel, please. And you must leave a comment in the box and like my video. Really straightforward, very easy. Okay, so it ends on the last day of November, which I believe is the 30th. I will have to check. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must leave a comment. It doesn't matter what you write, but some sort of comment. You must like my video, this video, and it is open to international this time. So, good luck everybody. I hope you all win. Sorry, it was a bit of a car crash, but you know, that's the way it is sometimes. Anyway, I'll speak to you very soon in the next video. If you'd like to see more from yours truly, please hit that one or that one. And if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe on that one. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Bye.